Hi all of you, dear viewers. Very happy to be here interviewing Rajat. Rajat हमारे इस बार के टॉपर हैं and proud of having been part of his preparation journey. And Rajat का geography option रहा है and he has been part of our test series in geography. And Rajat has given more than one interview. जैसे आपने 2 interview दिया था, third interview दिया था. It has been a bit long journey with him, but it was more because of some initial problems in preparation जो हमारे साथ share करेंगे. So Rajat, congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
And very happy to have you here. You can always, share your ideas, inspire the students there. Rajat, बताइए कि when did you start the preparation?
So in a way, I started my preparation on a not very serious note in 2018 with my masters. So though attempts देकर, then I took a break, and then seriously I started it in 2021. So 21 से I am preparing on a serious note, and then all these attempts, 3 mains, 3 interviews.
So now relieved, journey has come to a kind of a good, nice conclusion now.
Yes sir. Process नहीं किया है बहुत ज़्यादा अब तक because
It's too
IS
early.
yeah I am expecting IS वाली rank, IS मिल सकता है इस rank पर, तो process नहीं किया है बहुत ज़्यादा, but I think yes it is all good.
I always hear this, students qualify करने के बाद में there is a sudden vacuum.
Exactly.
तो जब तक रिजल्ट्स आते नहीं हैं, आप एग्जाम दे रहे हो, यू आर स्ट्रगलिंग, अच्छा अब ये करना है, एग्जाम खत्म हो गया, सडनली यू हैव क्वालिफाइड,
Exactly.
यू आर कंप्लीटली ब्लैंक, नाउ व्हाट नेक्स्ट नाउ?
थोड़ा purposeless लगता है, especially after the interview. Your interview is over, you know for a fact that थोड़ा सा hope होता है कि इस बार हो जाएगा मेरे, because you've not nothing was blunder, ना mains blunder हुआ ना interview हुआ है, आपने सब कुछ attempt किया, you have some kind of hope कि हो जाएगा. Now there is a sense of purposelessness कि क्या करूँ, पढ़ूँ ना पढ़ूँ, रिजल्ट का वेट करूँ, and that prevails even after the result. कुछ टाइम के लिए कि ठीक है बन गए, ठीक है okay. It takes time to sink that in.
But it's a remarkable achievement coming this far and all the effort they put in. तो रतन जी बताइए कि आपको इतना टाइम लगा क्यों? बिकॉज 3 इंटरव्यू का मतलब है you know the subject very well. It's not possible कि कोई 3 बार जा रहा है repeatedly and you have a background. Rajat has a background in geography optional. तो आपको इतना टाइम लगा क्यों? What went wrong or what did you miss out or what was not clicking for you?
I think, sir, the biggest problem that happened was not understanding the entire scheme of examination and only targeting just one stage. So you have to understand that the exam is not just prelims. Qualifying just prelims is not the end of the examination. Qualifying just mains is not the end of the examination.
Yes.
At the end, it is about all three. So if let's say you are serious this year, but आपने सिर्फ prelims के लिए seriousness दिखाई, आपने mains को target ही नहीं किया. This is what happens. Initially, आपको prelims को समझने में 1-2 साल लगते हैं.
Yes.
Qualified it, but then at that time you don't take mains very seriously क्योंकि आप prelims में इतना ज़्यादा हो गए थे कि I have to qualify prelims somewhere. You take mains for granted. You end up not qualifying mains or maybe qualifying mains at a very low cutoff. उसके बाद में आप अगले बारी में mains improve करते हो, maybe something bad happens in the interview because of some stuff. अगर वो भी हो गया, इंटरव्यू आपके प्रीलिम्स से 5 दिन 7 दिन पहले हो गया, तो प्रीलिम्स भी बिगड़ जाएगा. तो दैट साइकिल इज वेरी विशियस एंड यू हैव टू टेक एवरीथिंग इन अ वेरी इंटीग्रेटेड मैनर एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मिस्टेक्स मे हैपन एट ईच स्टेज बिफोरहैंड.
You are right, Ajay, because I have seen students, good students, अच्छा पढ़ाई कर रहे हैं, for whatever reasons prelims नहीं हुआ, और अगर 2 prelims नहीं हुआ, by the time मेंस देते हैं, they have forgotten पूरा मेंस.
एग्जैक्टली.
और मेंस के लिए फिर आपको सिर्फ 2 महीना मिलता है, 3 महीना मिलता है, और आपने 3 साल ऑलमोस्ट डाल रखा था प्रीलिम्स.
करेक्ट.
So how to overcome this? Because it's a fact है कि प्रीलिम्स में 6-7 महीना चाहिए in some ways preparation. तो ये कैसे मैनेज करें? How can a student who is a fresher or who is attempting, how can he manage this?
सर आई थिंक नंबर 1 इज यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई कि आपके पास में कितना टाइम है. सबसे पहले तो आप ये देखिए कि the minimum number of months required is at least 10 to 12 months.
Okay.
Do you have that? You started
10 to 12 months before the prelims.
Before prelims. Exactly.
Okay, excellent.
So 10 to 12 months before the prelims. So let's say this year's prelims is done. You start the preparation. You start with mains preparation. By the time it is November, December, you're done with your option. You're done with the GS for mains. You start with prelims. Anyway, there are some subjects that are common for prelims as well as mains. So you are doing everything. Your mains ready by the time it is November, December. then you start with prelim specific.
You have to
things
be main steady
by
4
November
or 5 months before the
before
prelims.
prelims. Exactly.
You start the cycle with January से December तक finish all mains, focus on prelims and then clear it.
So this is what helped me this time also. The reason why my previous interviews or mains did not go well was because I was constantly in that cycle. Prelims, mains, interview. Prelims, mains, interview. I did not get good time in between to study for either of them. For prelims, for mains, for interview, I did not get time for anything. But after my last interview, I got a good 1 year break. I started working somewhere. उस दौरान में मैंने रेट्रोस्पेक्टिव तरीके से देखा कि क्या गलत हुआ. I took good 1 year, सबके ऊपर काम किया, and then I got back with full zeal in 2024. I gave it, and then here we are. So I think take a stop if you're realizing you are in that loop, or you may be stuck in that loop somewhere down the
loop
line.
में फंसना is something you have to get out of.
Exactly. If you have to realize where to correct yourself.
So ये जो होता है कि बच्चे लोग 4-5 महीना पहले प्रिपेयर शुरू करते हैं and then they give them prelims also, क्या देते हैं trial attempt. So what is your view on this?
So I think prepare, but the decision of whether or not to give prelims has to be taken just 3 days before prelims. If you want to start, good. Anyway, you decided to start the preparation. So ultimately, if not this year, next year you'll give prelims. If you're starting right now, it is good that you're starting from a perspective कि मुझे prelims देना है. You'll have that sense of urgency. Prepare. But whether or not to give the prelims should be a decision based on the preparation just 3 days before prelims.
I was asking your perspective कि अगर mains preparation नहीं है,
it is useless.
It's useless.
It
right?
is useless. Absolutely.
Yeah, because sometimes we also recommend students कि ऐसे cycle में बस कूद मत जाओ. Half baked है उसमें हर failure में you feel bad about yourself. You have a sense of guilt, inadequacy. Okay, so this is nice learning for all of you, dear aspirants. कि examination दो, अपने आप को time दो, give 4-5 months before the prelims and get main study before the prelims. That's a very important learning that we have from Rajat here. रजत, आपने geography में क्या किया?
Sir, geography.
पहले ये बताओ कि आपने geography as a subject लिया क्यों?
Sir, geography inherently मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा interesting लगता था because of traveling, because of my love for atlas. तो geography inherently मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. Then I ended up taking geography in my academics also, my geography honors, my masters, my JRF, everything. So naturally the only option for me was
You have a geography background.
Geography background है तो geography optional तो फिर very natural था. अगर मैं कुछ और switch करता unnatural वो मुझे benefit नहीं करता क्योंकि ultimately even if you are studying a very scoring subject but it's not interesting for you तो वो problem होगा. And I think it is perceived that geography is not a very scoring subject, but throughout my preparation every time I reached interview that was because of geography also. So,
Yeah, I would like to emphasize this कि this is a perception हमारा बन जाता है कि कुछ subjects are more scoring, others are not. Okay, but then marks based होता जो है largely on your performance ही होता है. So Rajat says yes, I'm sorry.
yes. So optional is important from the sense that अगर आपको approach पता है उस subject का, that you understand what the subject technically is, I think optional will give you good gains. So the technicalities of a subject, if you understand not just on the GS level but on the deeper level, so even if that subject is not as scoring as others are, I think you'll do fairly well in that subject. And at the end, all the subjects are represented in the result. What matters is how well you have done within your option. So if you are in the top 2-3% of the percentile of your optional, I think you'll qualify anyway, regardless of what option you do. Same for geography.
What has your marks been across the years, Rajat?
Sir,
Optional.
my first mains, even though it was a disaster, I did not attempt as much as 100 marks of questions in my first mains. I qualified it largely because of my geography, where I scored 270. So in geography optional, I left 40 marks of questions, but I scored 270. And in my second mains, I scored 290 marks in geography, left 20 marks of questions. Then I left simple questions such as speleothems. I didn't know them, but the other questions, if you do it well, and that was the first question. Yet in optional I scored well. So it is more about all of the paper instead of just one question.
एक आध क्वेश्चन ना भी हो
I think overall matter
20 marks छोड़ के you have scored 290.
Exactly.
40 marks छोड़ के 270.
And in that year the score wasn't as good for geography. The topper did not score more than 300 in 2022 means. And this year I am expecting कि it is somewhere around 290. Somewhere around 290. The marks are not.
So आपने geography option में क्या किया? What was your approach in preparation? What books or what answer writing? What was your strength in geography?
Sir, I think एक time के बाद when you have read all the standard books, everyone knows what the standard books are. Your viewers also knew what the standard books are. Largely standard books ही follow करी. But I have had the benefit of my academic background. So abhi what I did was I largely depended on your ready-made answers for the questions that you give. I depended on predictions of what might be coming in the examination. So the most important topics for 2025 means you give a list. This is important. Read this. Do not go without these topics. In your test series, you give important topics.
Yes.
And on the basis of that, you study. You go there. Selective reading of selective topics. Detailed reading of those topics. That is important.
But were you more careful about answer writing? Answer में क्या-क्या करते थे अच्छे मार्क्स लाने?
I think in geography option particularly, the most important thing is technical jargons. So geography को GS geography की तरह लिखोगे तो I think नहीं बनेंगे. So instead of writing only weathering, write derivation.
Right.
Use technical terms given in Savendra Singh or Alan Straller or these kinds of books. That will help you in telling to the examiner that I've studied in more detail than a GS would. Use more number of theories, more number of models, particularly in paper 2, because at the face of it, it looks like a GS paper. The kind of questions India का drought, India का water scarcity, water conservation, ऐसे questions होंगे. And अगर आप वहाँ पर GS के ही schemes लिखकर आ जाओगे, without giving a geographical perspective of what the reasons are, from a geographic perspective, topography, climate, आप score नहीं करोगे. So I think
you need to have the geography flair in the writing that comes from your optional concepts and
exactly. If you have studied it well, plus integration of both the subjects. So paper 1 and paper 2 का integration करके paper 1 में आपने already पढ़ा है. You've already studied climatic classification in paper 1.
Apply करो paper 2 में.
Paper 2 में apply करो. You have
the theories of paper 1, population के apply in paper 2. The theories of settlements.
Introduction में लिख लीजिए theory. Case studies are absolutely essential. The list of case studies that you give, वही रट्टा मारना है. You don't have to go anywhere and look for case studies.
Yeah, that's something I've done very consciously last 2 cycles. We give a bank of case studies, apply with the maps, with diagrams, with examples. So that was the approach of your geography largely. So your perception है about geography. This is always a concern. Marks आते हैं नहीं आते हैं. So would you recommend geography to a fresher or newcomer?
So I think ultimately your interest is what matters. If you're interested in geography, take it. Do not be worried that it is a broad subject, that it is very difficult, that you don't score well, because marks हर किसी को मिल रहे हैं. And it is a cycle. कभी किसी और subject को मिल रहे हैं, कभी किसी और को मिल रहे हैं. So geography is in a very good cycle recently. Last year 325 the topper score किया. This year also I am expecting आराम से 310, 320 तक geography has scored. So geography is in a good cycle. So don't worry about that. But also, if you're interested, if you understand the technical jargons, if you have the correct mentor and teacher, I think geography can be a very good option. Not only because it is a scoring optional if you understand it, but also because of the kind of help it gives you in other papers.
Yes, I mean I say this geography, GS में हर पेपर में paper 1 geography है, paper 2 social issues geography है, paper 3 में environment है, disaster management है.
50% of paper
2 में IR भी है. Right, you also have economy, a good part of geography. So yes, I think I will repeat what Rajat said. कि एक तो interest is a very important thing.
Correct.
And I'm happy you said it. Fingers crossed. Geography definitely is back on the cycle now.
Correct.
Last 3 years I'm seeing the marks have increased. My students have scored more than 300 marks, and I hope Rajat you get this kind of score this time. So yes, so that was the approach for geography. And if you can be a bit more forthcoming, allowing me to be probing you, how did we help you? How did my class help you in the geography preparation or otherwise also?
Sir, the problem this time in mains was that I did not have a lot of time. I had some exigencies back home, so I only had just 15 days to prepare for optional. and I needed something that gives me a very good idea of important topics and important sources for those topics. I cannot go around and look for bigger books and find out what the topics are. So you need somewhere that you find important topics, notes on that, or ready-made answers for that. So a list of answers of important topics, you read that, you go to the exam, and because optional gives you a lot of options कि आपको सारे करेक्ट नहीं करने हैं, सारे क्वेश्चन नहीं करने हैं, तो आपने जो पढ़ा है जिन जिन क्वेश्चंस में दिख रहा है वो अटेम्प्ट कर लीजिए. So that selective reading, the test series also addresses that. So the important topic for this year, you've already written in the test series. If you haven't, at least read the approach answers to the tests. So approach answers, the question bank that you give, those, and the classes. And the best part about classes, the prediction of what is going to be. So you predicted glacial features, it was in the exam. You predicted port-related infrastructure, it was in the exam. Indian Ocean, it was in the exam. So that kind of prediction is what helps you if you do not have a lot of time. And this year, because you only have 2.5 months for mains,
All the more important.
all the more important for selective reading. So these kind of courses help you there. So you have to identify which faculty, which teacher provides you that insight in the exam. Who has understood that demand? Everyone will teach it. But who has understood what the UPSC wants? If you understand that, you go to the correct person.
Yeah, thank you for saying as much, Rajat. I hope I don't lose my prediction for this year. Yes, that's something I do. I do identify or find out what is possible question. But yes, sometimes I do get lucky also.